Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to self-draft different types of oversized collars for your dresses and tops. Oversized collars are a great way to spice up your outfits and make them more fashionable. They're also very easy to make and you don't need any special skills or equipment. You can use any fabric you like, such as cotton, linen, denim, or even leather. You can also mix and match different colors and patterns to create your own unique designs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to draft your own oversized collars and customize your garments to your liking. So, if you're ready, let's get started! And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more do-it-yourself fashion tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy sewing!